Namaste. So, today we are going to learn verbs. Okay? Now, for verb, we have just started, you know that. So, I'm taking one verb which is sit. Sit. Batna. Batna. Now, when you use the sit verb in a sentence, Ram sits. Ram sits. Ram बैठा है. Ram बैठा sit है. Now, है, why this है comes? Because है is like is. Okay, now in English there is in when you write this small phrase sits, Ram sits, you don't write is, but in Hindi you have to refer. Ram is sits, Ram sits, so it means is automatically there. So Ram बैठा है. Okay, now this you will find as a problem. राम बैठा है. Okay, now Ram sits on a chair. On a chair. Ram sits on a chair. Let me tell you how actually it is translated. Ram sits, बैठा है. Okay. Chair, कुर्सी. 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 राम कुर्सी पर. On chair. On is पर. On is पर. पर on. So if you just remember, on is par, so on chair, on means par, kursi par. It's just an opposite, you know. Kursi par on chair. Kursi par on chair. So बैठा है is just the same as we did Ram sits. Okay. Now I want you to try walk. And the sentence can be Ram walks or Ram walks on the road. On road, on the road, there is no need. On road. So this is the homework. So why I'm giving the homework? Because I want you all to practice. So thank you. See you tomorrow.